model number 7, Adler. Okay, serial number is 149650. According to the Typewriter database, probably it was manufactured in 1917. When I bought this one, it's totally stuck. It's like just scrap metal, not typewriter. Nothing moved. But I spent like almost 1 month to cleaning, restoring, oiling, and then some change the spring. I guess now everything working once except one thing. The ribbon spool work, but not perfectly, like 95% works. Yeah. I took apart like this everything, and then I cleaned. So in order to do like this, first you should remove the this one. It's draw code. I reconnected the draw code with the fishing wire. Yeah. So yeah, it looks like Wilmington. One or first Wilmington or second Wilmington, almost same mechanism here. Just different is like this. I already reviewed the Wilmington, I guess 1, right? Yeah, long time ago, like almost 1 years ago. It's almost same, but it's very straightforward. I tried to remove also this, and then I wanna clean everything, but this totally stuck, so I couldn't. After remove this one, we can take off everything. It's one by one. It's easily. So that I couldn't because this screw totally stuck. See? Yeah. Okay, so this one for the margin release, and then also we can use this one to remove the carriage from the main body. And then this one is one is for capital, one is for function, figure, right? Okay. This one right now it's work freely, right? It's like capital and then the figure. Also we can remove the this pattern using the take out this one, but as you see it was broken, so I already took out and then clean and then put back on, and then I glue, so I cannot show right now, but yeah, so we can took out this pattern also. Let's try to put back this one into the main body typewriter. To do that, like this, then move, and then after a certain point we should do this one like up, because see, because for the function, correct function, we need the up and then push the carriage to the left side. Without this, still we can move carriage to the left, but after that this capital and then figure key does not work. So first raise up, that means here raise down, and then push the carriage to the left side. But at that point we need to put the carriage release button together. Okay, and then we should look at the behind. Okay, And then another one here, several one. Now it's get in, and then after that you can hold this one tightly, and then like Oliver typewriter, there are automatically that kind of hook, right? This is the manual hook using this corner. Then put back like this. That means connect the draw code. See? Yeah. This is a carriage release button. And then this is for the light margin. So move like this, and we can see the. We can hear the bell sound after hit that point. See? Yeah. That's the work like this. And over here, it's the right margin, right? Then we can use this button to release the right margin. Okay. There are two options. One for lock, not allow the right margin. One for the allow the kind of. Right now it's rocks, so we cannot use this function. But after this, we can move freely, right? So release so after hit, after push it, and then we can hit the tight space bar. That means it move after that. See? Yeah. Right? Then this is line space paper like this. Yeah. Then carriage release. And then for the left margin, see this one, right? This one is a left margin. You can move like after hold, and then you can move. Okay. This height function like this, that means capital and then figure. So right now this is I think it's G means Grant or Granada, I don't know. So that means capital, and then for the figure, you can turn a little bit like this and then push down. That means more going down. So three different position, right? Without touch this one, this bar goes straight like this, right? And then we did the capital, then little bit going down, and then bar still straight, right? And then we did the figure like this, tilted and then down. That means more going down, and the straight. So three different position of this area. That means this type bar has the three different character, right? See, this is one, and then another one middle, and then this one third one, right? So bottom one means should be symbol or figure. Let's see, make big. Okay. Bottom one. Yeah, bottom one. You can see the bottom one. The middle one is capital, and the off one is the lowercase, right? Yeah. And this is backspace. See, backspace. And then this one for the normally left margin release. Also use this one. We can remove the carriage from right to the left, exactly like Oliver typewriter. There is in the middle tab and right function, right margin release. We need to put down to release to remove the carriage, right? This one exactly same, but direction is opposite case. The olive typewriter, we remove the carriage right to the left, right. This one is remove the left to the right. Exactly the same function, but different direction. That's all. Also, we can remove these keys and then cleaning, but it's not easy. Even though I try 1, 2, 3, remove the this one, it's unscrew like this, and then we need also need to push it back and then remove this inside, but it's really hard because this is a glass. I don't want to break, so right now I stop here. Maybe later we have a special tool, then I can do that. But anyway, it's like you know, this company Adler, they started to make the bicycle, right? This is exactly in the bicycle. The each, what is it called? I don't know exactly the vocabulary. In the wheel, and the wheel like this. When I was young, I repaired the tube inside tire. Yeah, at that time we can see this wheel inside exactly same like this. So that's the Adler. See, Adler logo is a bicycle wheel, right? Yeah. It's model 7. And then we need the this one going to here for the put back, and then we need like this. Then means to the right it's a dummy, and then after that if we hit the any key, that means it's connect to the bottom gear and then make turn the ribbon. That's function. That's the last my project. Little bit this one is like a little bit work does not correctly, so I wanna figure out this part. Manual is okay, but automatically little bit we need adjust. Okay. And then after that we can cover this one. Like this with the ribbon, then it will be complete. I put everything, and then after assemble everything, I want to show some sample typing. I used a very old ribbon because this big size of ribbon little bit expensive, so I don't waste the money. Still, it's okay, right? Yeah. Thank you for watching.